In this video, I am going to show you how to download photos or videos from Google Photos on your PC step by step. This method works for both images and video files. Let's get started. I already have the Google Photos interface opened on my PC. First, I clicked on a video file to open it. You can follow the same steps for photos as well. Now, in the top right corner, I clicked on the three dots More Options icon. A drop-down menu appeared. From this menu, I clicked on Download. After clicking Download, the file manager opened, asking me to choose the file name and location where I want to save the file. I selected the download location and clicked on the Save button. As you can see, the download started immediately. After a few seconds, the file was successfully downloaded to my computer. I clicked on the downloaded file and opened it to confirm that the download was completed correctly. And that's it. This is how you can download any photo or video from Google Photos on your PC easily.